Let's continue the series of video about Java in case what if I was a tutor, Java tutor, or how would I teach it. So in this video I'm going to talk about some basic concepts of Java, like numbers and strings, because they're like very basics, and they are the first things you're going to work with, and you will work with them during the whole your career. So let's start with numbers. So there are two types of numbers: primitives and wrapped or boxed objects. So in case of primitives, they're very fast, they're stored in memory, and you can do basic math operations with them, like adding, subtraction, dividing, finding modulo, and other stuff, but you can't use them in collections. So in that case, you can use boxing operations, or like the references, like integer, double, float, and other stuff. So, and another thing, so there are several types of primitive numbers, of whole numbers like byte, short, int, long, and with floating point like float and double. So and there are also some other classes like big decimal you can use. They have more methods, and they're more flexible in mathematical operations if you need to count something, so you can use them. There are also two types of primitives in Java, like char, in which you can use store one single character, and you can also use not only characters but numbers according to ASCII table, so in where each symbol is stored like a number. And also, of course, there are some also Boolean type in Java. Also, it can be boxed like char as well. So, and it also can be used. In that case, you can use them in collections like maps, or at least linked list, and etc. All right, next move to strings. So strings are also very common type used in Java, because with strings you can store text, you can work with text, you can concatenate strings, you can use it in logging, you can format strings. So strings has a lot of methods and classes to work with it. There are string builder and string buffer. The difference between them is about trait safety. So I will add some additional materials about it, strings, numbers as well, so we can read it and make some notes and improve your knowledge. So yeah. Another thing I would like to talk about is like how to convert string and numbers. You can do it using methods of boxed classes like integer or string. So like in case of if you want to convert string to number or integer, you can use like integer parse int, or otherwise you can use string value of. So it works in both sides, both directions, so we can easily do it. And I think that's all for today. I covered very basic information, but I will add a lot of materials, some tasks to practice from HackerRank, for example, so you can not only read some material, so you can also practice and use it in your project if you have some, or just start your own project. For example, you can just do some logging, printing some information to output. So have fun, learn Java, ask some questions in comments if you need. If you have some, uh, like this video, subscribe to channel if you're not, and see you in the next video. Ciao.